Hello drummers, let's work on line 8, 4x4. So first thing we want to do is work on the counting, and before we do that, let's look at the music drums. You'll notice that we have 4 beats at the beginning, and then there's a line. We call this group of 4 notes a measure. This is the first measure. This is the second measure. Notice there's 4 beats in that also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the third measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's the fourth measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. We put groups, the notes in groups of 4 because of this symbol at the beginning, the C symbol, which means common time. And that means that there are going to be 4 beats in every measure. Okay? The music will change later on, and you can see 3 beats or 2 beats per measure, but right now most music is going to have just 4 beats per measure. Okay? All right, now we start off with the quarter notes, which is of course the black circles with the stem. We're going to count the word ta on those. They get one ta, they get 1 beat each. So we're going to say ta, 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 rest, 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 ta, 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 rest, rest, rest. And then we have this dot dot symbol at the end, which is a repeat sign. So when you see it, you have to immediately go back to the beginning and do it again. Okay? Would you please count line 6 with me? Let's do it together, starting at the beginning. And don't play it, just say it. Ready? On tas and rest. 1, 2, count with me. Ready? Here we go. Ta, 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 rest, 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 ta, 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 rest, rest, and repeat. Ta, 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 rest, 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 ta, 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 rest, 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 and done. Okay, because we only repeat it 1 time. All right, if that made sense, grab your drumsticks. Get your practice pad about waist height is where you want it. I recommend you stand up when you play. Okay, get your arms in a nice relaxed position with the sticks aimed towards each other, towards the center of the practice pad. Keep your sticks nice and low. We don't want them high. Keep them low. Remember, we're going to use our wrists, okay? Don't worry about the R's and L's above the stick, although above the notes, although that is the sticking that I'm going to use. I'm going to start with my right hand, and then I'm going to switch off hands. I'm going to go right hand, left hand, right hand, left. But right now, let's just worry about saying the word ta and just switch off your hands as you play, okay? Here we go. Let's get in playing position. I'm going to count us off. Let's say it and play it together. Ready? 1, 2, and ready. Here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Rest, rest, rest. Ta, 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 ta. Rest, rest. Do it again. Ta, 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 ta. Rest, rest, rest. Ta, 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 rest, 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 and done. Let's have you try it by yourself, okay? Would you please play along with the recording and count it as you play? Here you go. Good luck. Ready and play. Sometimes the computer malfunctions and it doesn't do the repeat sign like it's supposed to. It usually will, but don't worry if you record it for the quiz. If it only does it once, that's okay. And if you did it well that first time, you can still send it to me. If it does it twice, that's great. Okay, but if it only does it once, it might not give you the score you want. But what you should do is just after you play it, is after you push record, then push this button that will turn blue and listen back to it. And if it sounded accurate to you, like you got it, then don't worry about the score. If it sounded good, then just send it to me and I will grade it. Okay? And like I said, if it doesn't do the repeat sign, don't worry about that. I will still give you the points even if the computer doesn't repeat itself. Okay? All right, drums, I hope that helps you. And please send me those quizzes. I'll see you at our next lesson.